Alright you guys, welcome back to Mush Alert Tutorial. And today I got the new Hot Wheels Fire Rescue 2026 new truck. New 2026, here it is. And this case is complete already. Here we go. Name: Hot Wheels Fire Rescue Truck Type SUV Strength Fire Engine Frenzy. Crashes at Heroic Smash. Really cool. There's the back we know. So this case is done. On to the next case. Pretty nice, I love the color. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Ooh, okay. Here it is. Hot Wheels Fire Rescue. I love the gold badge. It's really nice. Fire Rescue in the flame. Chief 01. Hot Wheels logo in gold. And Fire Rescue with flames in the front. The gold Hot Wheels logo. And then C-01. Same thing on this side. Dark red rims and beadlocks. Black tires. Chrome chassis, of course. Let's look at that reflection. Here's the back. It says Chief 01 Hot Wheels Fire Rescue. Pretty cool. I like this little truck. It's pretty cool, guys. Black roll cage. So that's all I got. This case is complete. So on to the next one, which I think is a Samsung case next. I think. I'm not sure. I gotta look it up. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.